Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kingston NV2 installation checks on Windows 11, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Kingston NV2 installation checks on Windows 11, begin by ensuring your system is updated. Next, navigate to the Windows search bar located on your taskbar. Type Windows Update in the search bar and click on the corresponding result. In the Windows Update settings, click on Check for updates to ensure your system has the latest files. Once your system is updated, close the Windows Update settings. Now, open the Settings app by clicking on the Start button and selecting the gear icon. In the Settings menu, click on System in the left-hand pane. Scroll down and select About. In the About section, take note of your Windows specifications, particularly the edition and version. Next, open the Windows search bar again and type Device Manager. Select Device Manager from the list of results. In Device Manager, locate the disk drives category and expand it. Find your Kingston NV2 drive from the list of installed drives. Right-click on the Kingston NV2 drive and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Policies tab. Ensure that the option for enabling write caching on the device is selected. This will help improve performance and installation checks for your NV2 drive. Click OK to confirm and save your settings. Now, return to the Settings app and select Windows Update again. This time, choose Advanced Options to configure additional settings. Scroll down to Additional Updates. Ensure that any optional updates related to your NV2 drive are selected and installed. This could enhance compatibility and performance. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. After rebooting, your Kingston NV2 drive should now pass installation checks seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.